I have a funny feeling that this isn't going to be showing my face very well.
And welcome back to video number 3. My name is Will, this is Too Tall to Drive, and today I'm in my Cupra 280 manual. So I've had the Cupra 280 manual for nearly 3 years. I bought it in July 2017 at about 30,000 miles. It's now got 63,000 miles. Before this car, I had a Fiesta Z-Tech 1.25 60 plate. So the Cupra was a big upgrade. So I actually fit in this car. Headroom, I've got loads. I reckon even with a pan roof in here, I will be fine. Haven't driven one before with a pan roof. Legroom, fine. I mean, you know, I can get my knees underneath, which is pretty impressive. I'm going to be honest, if you're going to just try and sit behind me, that's not going to happen. There's no space behind me. So it is basically, although it's got 5 seats, you're only really going to get 3, maybe 4 at a push. I have driven a Cupra 300 automatic to compare it to my 280. I'll be honest, I wasn't that excited by it. I didn't think there was a big enough difference between the two cars to want me to upgrade. Obviously it would cost more money, I just didn't think it'd be worth it. So I stuck with the Cupra 280, and no regrets really, it's done well. So there are a few reasons why I like this car so much. I mean, I went from a 84 brake horsepower car to a 280 brake horsepower car, so quite a big change. I think the power behind it is probably the first thing. The second thing is the noise this car makes, even from a cold start. It's not the loudest car in the world. Thanks for watching my... I'm going to be honest, this is probably the only video that will be on my Cupra. Reason being is as soon as we're out of quarantine, I'm going to be going straight to trade it in, hopefully for the new car. So I just want to say thanks very much for everyone who's watched the last couple of videos that I've put on. Obviously this channel is brand new. I'm going to try and put out as many videos as I can, but I don't want them to be complete rubbish. Although quarantine is probably going to limit the content, I don't want it to destroy the channel before it's even started. So thank you to everyone that's watched the video so far, and please continue to do so. There will be more coming and they will get better. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.